Hello, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to tell you how to make your PC faster after deleting some temporary files which are not needed for the PC. So first of all, what you have to do is go into this, click over here to the search menu. You're gonna type in run, yes, and then click on this right temp over here, yes, just temp. Then you have to delete all these files. You have to skip this, do this for all items. As you can see, only 2 files are left, everything else is deleted. Now what you have to do is go again to the search bar, type over here run, and then you have to type percentage temp percentage, yes. Then you have to delete all these files. Okay. This and the action can be completed. Okay, so you have to do this for all current items and then skip. Okay, so what you have to do now is go and type run. Then you have to go over here and type prefetch. Yes, you have to give permission and click on continue. What you have to do is over here is delete all these files, delete, and do this for all current items, skip, close this tab. And the second step is to go here to the recycle bin and empty recycle bin. Alright, so okay, so the recycle bin is empty now. Okay, so what you have to do now is you have to go over here, type settings. Okay, when you're in the settings, you have to go to apps and just do this. Alright, so what you want to do is uninstall all the unwanted apps that you don't want to use. Okay, like I don't want to use the 3D viewer or alarms or clock. Well, this cannot be installed. Install like Candy Crush. Yes, I don't want to use this. Okay, I want to use this. I want to use this, the web advisor. Yes, McAfee web advisors. No thanks, just install this. Yeah. Just delete all the unwanted files from your PC. Then what you have to do is you have to just close this tab, and then the next, yeah. So the next step about making a PC run faster is what you have to do is go to this PC, yeah, this PC. Then you have to click on C drive, right click on C drive, go to properties. After this, go to tools and then optimize. Yeah, so you have to select the C drive and then optimize, and this will start analyzing it current status. Okay, so after I've done this, what like wait for it to complete. %. If you have a SSD, this will be much faster if you have a SSD. As you can see, I have a hard disk drive. so it's slow. Wait for it. Yeah. So after this is done, you just need I'm just gonna minimize this. After this is done, just close all the tabs, and what you want to do next is the final step is uh, you have to go to the search bar and you're gonna go to disk cleanup. Yes, after starting this, you have to okay, and it's gonna start calculating. Alright, so what you want to do next is what you want to do next. Yes, what you want to do next is go to click on recycle bin, temporary files, and okay. So after this, select all the files. Yeah, select all the files, then press on OK and delete files permanently. Delete. Okay, just wait for this. Okay, so after this is finished, okay, so this was the last step. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.